Okay, so you've heard of refinancing. How many of you have heard of recasting? Recasting is something that's been around for a long, long time. And basically what it is, it's you're taking a large principal reduction, applying it to your existing loan, and then asking the servicer to re-amortize your balance over the remaining term, therefore lowering that overall monthly payment. Now, an example of how we typically will utilize this strategy is we'll have a client come to us that owns an existing home, has quite a bit of equity in it. They want to purchase a new home, but they don't necessarily want to make a contingent, either because for competitive reasons or because they don't want the idea of people traipsing through the house while they're still living there, etc. There's many reasons why people might not want to do that. And so what we'll do is we'll look to qualify them with as little as, say, 5% down to purchase the new home. Now, they can obviously put more down, but if they have at least 5%, we typically can look to do this. And then what we'll do is make sure that they qualify for both mortgages. So you're qualifying with your existing mortgage plus the new mortgage. But then once you close on the new mortgage, you get your home on the market, get it sold. Once it's sold, now you take those proceeds, you contact the servicer and say, hey, I'd like to do a recast. And here's $200,000 that I want you to apply to my loan and re-amortize the remaining balance over the remaining term, therefore lowering that monthly payment. And so this is something that's very, very successful and we've done numerous times over the years. Another example where you might want to consider doing a recast, let's just say, for example, you have a 3% mortgage and now all of a sudden you come into a large sum of money. Maybe it's an inheritance and it's $100,000. You could take that $100,000, contact your servicer, say, hey, I'd like to make a $100,000 principal reduction, but I would also like you to recast and re-amortize that balance over the remaining term so that it lowers your overall payment. And this is something that you might want to consider. Like I said, if you've got a 3% rate, if you were to refinance, now you're looking at a 6.5% or 7% rate in today's environment. So this is something that really can work quite well for you also. Recasting is also a little bit less expensive than a full refinance. Refinance will typically maybe be $2,000 plus or minus, and a recast is probably $500 to $600 plus or minus. I hope you found this information helpful. If you'd like to get more information on recasting and how it might work in your situation, please reach out, give us a call. We'd love to help you. Always here for a free consultation. If you could do us a favor and subscribe and like to our page, we'd appreciate it very much. Have a great day. We'll talk to you soon. Bye-bye.